my dear friends. Welcome to our nursery assembly. We have prepared little promises for you. Hope you enjoy. Thank you. Makes learning a happy journey. Happy Teacher Day to all my teachers. Thank you. Thank you. Children like me will give him I listens. Thank you. Celebrated on 26th September. Thank you.
Nursery. I love your dancing and have a lovely day. And if your teachers say to you today, please sit quietly, you're going to say, yes miss or yes sir. If they say, you have to do your work now, you have to say, yes miss or yes sir. You have to be nice to your friend, yes miss, yes sir. So it's going to be a yes day for your teachers. Can you do that?
Yes.
Yes, miss. Yes, miss. Exactly. Okay, that's the best present you can give them. Give them a yes day. Yes, miss.